and wish you could be here. But
And this is going to be a short video because we have to put our mask back on.
yeah, so we just wanted to say that we had a great time this morning, and we're ready to get the hell out of here. So
Adios.
We'll see you guys in a little bit. Well, we made it to Costa Rica, and we're on our way to the hotel. We have a very interesting ride. Our driver tells us that it's going to be about 45 minutes to an hour, and we're looking forward to a nice, comfortable ride. We're the only passengers on this leg of our trip, and hopefully when we return, we'll be the only ones also. It's rather warm today, and as you can see, Anita is already broken down, and
I was prepared.
she was prepared.
I was in 3 layers.
So as soon as I get to the hotel, I'm going to take off all of this Atlanta clothing off and get into some shorts and some sandals. So stay tuned, and we'll get back in contact with you later.
We have arrived at the Westin Reserve Conchal in lovely Guanacaste, Costa Rica. I want to say Puerto Rico. Anyway, we're here. It's absolutely beautiful. Open air lobby. We just came back from a 1-hour ride about from the airport. So we're going to go over here and check in, and we will check back with you in a bit.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Anita. Happy birthday to you.
Michael, where are you? Where are you?
We're in Costa Rica, the Western. Westin, not the Western, Westin, in Costa Rica. Reserve. Conchal.
It's a beautiful place.
What's the little community? It starts with a G. Guanacaste, y'all.
It's really pretty here. We have wanted to come to Costa Rica for a very long time. We had a trip planned back in 2006 actually that we had to cancel. We won't go into why, but it's taken us, it really didn't have to take us this long to get here, but it has, and we're super excited that we're here. So
we may not be coming back, so
that's not what I was going to say. I was going to say that we will take you along on our journey as we have some fun in Costa Rica, so stay tuned.